In this video, we break down the top 5 best smart chessboard you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation, most importantly, actual user feedback.
So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one choice is Chess MiniAI electronic chessboard game. Experience the next generation of chess with the Chess MiniAI electronic chessboard game, a compact powerhouse designed for players of all skill levels. This sleek portable smartboard brings the magic of AI-powered gameplay into your hands, combining traditional chess with cutting-edge technology to elevate your playing experience. Crafted with premium materials and a minimalist design, the Chess Mini features smart sensors that automatically recognize each move, eliminating the need for manual tracking. Whether you're playing solo or challenging friends, the built-in AI engine adapts in real time, offering a competitive edge tailored to your skill level, from beginner to grandmaster. Advanced AI system with 32 difficulty levels, catering to all skill levels from beginners to experts. Challenge yourself and improve your skills with a responsive and intelligent opponent. This Chess Mini is a standard size, 35mm square size, easy to carry and set up, making it ideal for playing at home, in the office, or on the go. The compact design ensures you can enjoy a game of chess wherever you are. One of its most impressive features is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling seamless integration with popular online platforms like chess.com and Chess. Play against global opponents or follow along with live matches using real-time board mirroring. Plus, the LED move indicators guide beginners step by step, making learning intuitive and fun. The rechargeable battery ensures hours of uninterrupted play, and its compact size makes it perfect for travel, home, or even classroom use. Whether you're sharpening your strategy, teaching a young learner, or enjoying a casual match, the Chess Mini is a brilliant blend of tradition and innovation. Perfect for learners, enthusiasts, and competitive players alike, the Chess Mini redefines what a chessboard can do. Welcome to the future of chess, where technology meets tradition. Our second best smart chessboard is Vonset P6 Smart Chessboard. Step into the future of chess with the Vonset P6 Smart Chessboard, an innovative blend of craftsmanship and technology designed to revolutionize the way you play. Whether you're a beginner learning the ropes or a seasoned strategist aiming to sharpen your skills, the Vonset P6 offers an immersive and intuitive chess experience like no other. Engineered with advanced piece recognition technology, the P6 smartboard automatically tracks and records every move in real time. No cameras, no manual input. The smooth surface and weighted pieces maintain the traditional feel of a classic wooden board, while the invisible sensors bring intelligent automation to your fingertips. Connected via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, the Vonset P6 seamlessly integrates with leading platforms such as chess.com and Chess, allowing you to play against global opponents or follow live games directly on the board. Its intelligent LED indicators guide you through suggested moves, making it an excellent learning tool for players of all ages. Powered by a robust internal battery, the P6 offers hours of wireless gameplay on a single charge, while the sleek, minimalist design ensures it looks as good as it performs. Compact yet feature-rich, it's ideal for home, travel, or educational settings. Whether you're training, competing, or just enjoying the game, the Vonset P6 Smart Chessboard brings the timeless game of chess into the digital age, without compromising on elegance or playability. Number 3 in our list is Chestnut Evo Ultrasmart AI Chessboard. Unleash your full chess potential with the Chestnut Evo Ultrasmart AI Chessboard, a premium, tournament-grade board designed for serious players who demand precision, intelligence, and innovation in every move. Built with advanced features and a sleek design, the Chestnut Evo Ultra is more than just a chessboard. It's your ultimate training partner, opponent, and gateway to the global chess community. At the heart of the Evo Ultra is its high-speed piece recognition technology, offering ultra-fast and accurate tracking of every move without delay. Whether you're playing a live opponent or an AI engine, each piece is instantly detected, and every move is recorded seamlessly. Its integrated AI system adapts to your skill level, giving you a dynamic and challenging game experience every time. Crafted with high-quality wood and luxury detailing, the Chestnut Evo Ultra blends modern tech with timeless style. The long-lasting rechargeable battery supports extended play sessions, while its cloud sync and PGN export features make game analysis a breeze. With full Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, the Evo Ultra connects effortlessly to top platforms like chess, calm and lichess, allowing you to compete with players worldwide or spectate elite matches in real time, right on your physical board. Fourth recommendation in our side is JWS Chessun Talking Chess Set. Make learning chess fun, interactive, and engaging with the JWS Chessun Talking Chess Set, a smart electronic board designed to teach, train, and entertain players of all ages. Whether you're a young beginner or an adult rediscovering the game, this talking chess set brings the board to life with voice prompts, coaching tips, and real-time feedback. The JWS Chessun features built-in voice instruction that guides you through the rules, legal moves, and even strategic suggestions as you play. With multiple skill levels and game modes, you can start from the basics and steadily progress toward advanced gameplay, all with a friendly digital coach at your side. Equipped with interactive piece detection, the board recognizes your moves and responds immediately with voice cues, eliminating the need to second-guess your actions. The system also includes challenge and training modes, allowing you to test your skills or replay famous games with audio assistance. Last in our top 5 best smart chessboard list is Feue Computer Chess Game. Bring the timeless strategy of chess into the digital age with the Feue Computer Chess Game, a versatile, user-friendly electronic chess set designed for players of all ages and skill levels. Whether you're a beginner learning the ropes or a seasoned enthusiast looking for a convenient way to play and practice, Feue offers a dynamic and engaging chess experience. Equipped with a built-in computer opponent, the Feue chess game offers multiple difficulty levels, making it easy to find the right challenge. The board provides clear visual cues and intuitive controls, allowing players to make moves effortlessly while receiving feedback and suggestions from the intelligent system. Feue P6 is a high-tech artificial intelligence electronic chess with a sensor board and innovative colorful board lights to indicate the steps of the chess game. There are no other additional distractions. You can completely focus on the chessboard and chess pieces. P6 has 3 playing modes: training, match, and human. P6 electronic chessboard game built in 200 teaching exercise positions. The interactive LCD display shows move prompts, game status, and position tracking, helping players stay focused and learn as they play. Thanks to automatic piece detection, the board registers every move accurately, no need for manual recording or guesswork. Whether you're playing solo against the AI or with a friend, Feue ensures smooth and responsive gameplay every time. Compact and lightweight, this electronic chess game is perfect for home, school, or travel.